Talking about another episode of Talking Nation. Well, when you pass through the junkyard, you see a couple of jet skis, and you say, okay, well, the only way to have fun is to name a day after the week, after what you find in the junkyard. So we got Jet Ski Thursday. Yeah, all the 7, 8, and 9-year-olds in the neighborhood here taking advantage of the junkyard jet skis. And Carl just making it epic here. Bringing out the old Phil McCracken. Dang, that Phil McCracken. Jet Ski Thursday. It's like when they built that cart, they said, you shall put a canoe on there.